everyone, this is Stream Beauty Factor here, back with another video, guys. I just want to come on here. I'm pumping these videos out for y'all guys. Yeah, I'm back. But here, guys, I just want to come on here quickly and talk about this this system here that has been gifted to me by Duvolle, and it is the Radiance Spin Care System. And I'm gonna demonstrate it when I take my makeup off, but I just want to come on quickly and tell y'all about it. And let's go ahead and get the specs about Duvolle's machine here. Let's get the specs on this. Hold on, let me get to it real quick. Okay. It reveals the hidden glow of your skin with Radiance Spin Care System. Deeply cleanse your skin and a rotation movement to achieve cleaner and more vibrant over your whole body. And it includes the retractable accessories, the facial exfoliation brush, large body cleansing brush, facial cleansing brush, and a what is it, pumice stone. And I think that right there. So I'm gonna take this out and unbox this for y'all guys. Here it is right here, if y'all can see it. So I'm going to take it out. Alright, let's take it out the box. And it has the instructions here. Okay guys, this is the base unit, and then you got right here where you put your AA batteries, and it's got their logo on the back of it. And I think they have different colors. I'm gonna turn this around so y'all can see it better. This right, it has different colors and stuff like this. So we got the, this right here is for your body, and you just click it on like that. And then you got here, you got your cleansing brush. Do the same thing. You got your cleansing brush, and you just do the same thing right here. Click it on for your face. And then you got your foliation brush right here. Same thing, click it on. And then you got the one for your, you can use for rough skin, like your foot and stuff like that. So everything is very easy to attach and put together. So you just put your batteries in, and you can go with your cleanser that you have, right? And then I'm gonna use it, guys. I'm gonna show y'all a demonstration. I'm just telling y'all the specs on it. And then also, they were so kind, so I can bless y'all guys with 70% off the cleansing brush. And you can use B Factor. I'm gonna put it in the screen. You can use B Factor and get 70% off promo code, and you only pay $28.50 for all of this. So guys, if y'all are interested in it, please check the I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. Y'all go check them out. But we're gonna move on to my bathroom so y'all can see how it works. Okay guys, remember when I told y'all guys I'm getting ready to strip down, take this makeup off, and I'm gonna talk about the Duvolle. This is the exfoliating one, and this is the cleanser one. And then of course you got the one that you can use on your feet as well. So let's go get started on using this. And plus it's water resistant, y'all. You can use it in your shower. That's why they got it for your body. It's water resistant, okay? All right, and everything that is for you to get this system, I'm gonna put in the description box below. So guys, let me get started. What I normally do, let me take these eyelashes off. Y'all, don't that feel good when you take your eyelashes off, man? I know it feels good for me. Woo. All right, now let's I always use my makeup wipe. Wipe it off.
Photograph feels like 100 years ago. Life was easy then, or is it just the way the mind works? We look so bold, like the winners of the league. Don't you know we had it all those summer days?
first. So here we go. Here we go, pushing the on and off button. Oh, this feels good. Yeah. Getting deep down in that skin.
Lately, my thoughts got.
Hey guys, I forgot to share that they do have replacement heads for these, and they are $45 for the four replacement heads. All right, guys, onto the video.
How you been? Where you hide? Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What?
Okay, guys, and then now get ready to do the cleansing brush now. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of my stuff. About out. Alright. Here we go.
I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. No.
Actually, y'all, it feels good on your face. It's getting deep down in your skin. Let's see if it got a different. Oh. It don't have different settings. It's just on and off. It's at one setting, which is fine. Okay. It got it all of it out, the forehead there. Like on my. Alright, I'm gonna rinse my face off.
Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you.
Alright, I got a clean face, y'all. Look at that. All that makeup that was on, so I'm gonna put on my Corology stuff. My moisturizer. I mix those two together and there we go. And there you go, guys. My face is clean. It feels clean. It feels so smooth. And I'm not just saying this, y'all. It's worth getting. So I want y'all guys. They did leave a code again. They left a code. It's called B Factor, and I'll put the code and the link in the description box below, and you'll get 70% off. Go check it out. I love this. I love this. I love this because it got different things that you can use. Now, I haven't used these two yet, so I can't really speak on that. But I know if these two things are doing good, I know these are good. But I have had something like this and it worked well in the shower, so I know this is gonna work. I know it for sure. Of course, this right here, I know it's probably gonna work too, because if you got rough feet, because I sure I'm gonna try it, and I will be coming back and letting y'all guys know in my videos or whatever, and letting you know whether this, this right here works very well. So please go support them. I will leave the link in the description box below, and again, the code will be B Factor, and I'll have the link in the description box below. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. If y'all want any more like this, please let me know in the comment section below. And again, guys, when there's an event, I got some content, and I'll see you in another video with my soft, smooth face. All right, guys. Mwah. Love you. I just wanted to jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.